which one is actually better, NestJS or Express JS? Let's break it down, because the answer is not as simple as you might think. One of these is clearly better, but it really depends on what you're building. If you want structure and scalability, one wins easily. But if you want simplicity and speed, the other still dominates. All right, let's quickly understand both. First, Express.js. Express is a minimal and flexible Node.js framework. It's basically the OG backend tool that lets you build APIs and web servers with very little setup. It doesn't force structure on you, you decide everything. It's known for being lightweight, fast to start, highly flexible, beginner-friendly for backend basics. Now, NestJS. NestJS is a more modern Node.js framework built with structure in mind. It uses TypeScript by default and is heavily inspired by Angular-style architecture. It's designed for large-scale applications, organized code structure, enterprise-level backend systems, teams working together on big projects. So, in simple terms, Express is like a blank canvas. NestJS is like a fully organized blueprint.
A. Features. Express gives you freedom. You can build your project however you want, choose your structure, and add only what you need. NestJS, on the other hand, gives you a full system out of the box. Dependency injection, built-in modules, decorators, strong TypeScript support, clear architecture patterns. So Express equals freedom, NestJS equals structure. Performance-wise, both are built on Node.js, so raw speed is pretty similar. But here's the real difference. Express performs better in small, simple apps because there's less overhead. NestJS performs better in large, complex systems because it keeps everything organized, even if it adds a bit of complexity. So it's not about speed, it's about scalability.
C. Pros and cons. Express.js pros. Super lightweight, easy to learn, huge community, flexible and customizable. Express.js cons. No built-in structure. Can get messy in big projects. You have to choose everything yourself. NestJS pros. Very structured and organized. Great for large apps. TypeScript first design. Built-in tools reduce setup time in big systems. NestJS cons. Steeper learning curve. Feels heavy for small projects. More setup compared to Express.
Price, value. Both are open source, so they're technically free. But value here is about time and effort. Express gives more value for quick projects and prototypes. NestJS gives more value for long-term, scalable applications, even if it takes longer to learn. So if we're being real, NestJS is the better choice overall, but only if you're building serious, scalable applications. If we're talking pure simplicity and speed for small projects, Express still holds its ground. Choose Express.js if you're a beginner in backend development, you want to build fast APIs or small projects, you prefer flexibility over structure. Choose NestJS if you're building large-scale applications, you work in a team environment, you want clean, maintainable architecture, you're comfortable with TypeScript. At the end of the day, both are powerful. It just depends on your goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest comparisons.